Good day, Mom and Sir. My name is Jovina Rimpilio, 46 years of age, married, blessed with 5 children, 3 boys and 2 girls, ages 17, 15, 14, 12, and 10 years old. I am the eldest daughter of the family. I have 3 brothers. I am a high school graduate. I am a born-again Christian. I have work experience abroad as a domestic helper in Bahrain for 2 years, from February 2021 to February 2023. I serve 7 members of the family, including 2 elderly, 4 adults, composed of 2 couple, a son and a daughter, a 1-month-old baby boy. My main duties are general cleaning and cooking, but my main priority is to take care of the baby while the parents are working. I have working experience abroad as a domestic helper for 2 years in Saudi Arabia. I serve 4 members of the family, including 2 adults, a 3-year-old girl, and a 2-month-old baby boy. My main duties are general cleaning and cooking, but my main priority mostly for the children, especially to the newborn baby. To prepare the milk of the baby, first, I will wash my hand, I will wash the bottle of milk, and sterilize. Put the right amount of water and milk. Shake it and check the temperature and give it to the baby. If the baby won't stop crying, I will check if the diaper is full. I will check if the baby is hungry, feed the baby, check the temperature of the baby, sing and dance with the baby, play with the baby. If the baby is still crying, I will inform immediately to my employer. I want to work in Hong Kong because Hong Kong is the safest place. I want to work in Hong Kong for 2 years or more, and it depends on my employer. I don't know how to cook Chinese dishes, but I am good cook Filipino dishes. I can cook adobo, sinigang, kare-kare, pancit, etc. I can cook Arabic food like kabsa, mandi, macaroni bechamel, etc. But I am willing to learn how to cook Chinese dishes by watching YouTube, recipe book, and if my employer will teach me, I will grab the opportunity to learn. I am willing to take care of the newborn baby. I am willing to take care elderly. It's okay for me to share rooms with kids and other members of the family. I am willing to learn Cantonese language. I promise not to use my phone during working hours. I will accept, I am a pet lover, and I will accept if my day off is weekdays. Please consider hiring me, Mom and Sir, because I am hardworking, trustworthy, honest, loyal, kind, loving towards children. I promise to respect and follow your house rules regulation inside your house. I will treat your children as my own child. Thank you very much, and God bless you.